Hey everybody, thank you so much for coming and joining for another video today. So today I'm finally doing my 4-year natural hair update. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so 4 years ago, actually I'm approaching my 5-year anniversary, but I'm still in the 4th year. So 4 years ago in June 2013, I did the big chop to go natural. Been wanting to go natural since I was in high school, just didn't really know how to go about it. I've made a couple attempts before I even knew what YouTube hair videos was, but I failed. So here I am now for almost 5 years now, natural. My last relaxer was October 2012 was when I stretched for 8 months. So my natural hair journey has been interesting. I did a second big chop last year of February 2016. Because I felt my hair was just not the way I wanted it to be. Granted, it was long, and had I not cut it, I would probably be at waist length now. That's just what it is. But I felt it was unhealthy, and I did do a video on why I cut my hair. So if y'all want to check that out, I will go ahead and link it up here or up here, whichever side it appears on. But I did do a detailed video of why I did a second big chop. Now, believe it or not, after that second big chop, I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna feel so much better about my hair. I did not. I hated that I cut my hair, but I believe at that time it was necessary. And then probably not, because I could have just took better care of it and probably would have been okay, but my nerves got the best of me and I just started chopping it. I didn't chop it as short as I did when I first went natural, but it was about maybe 3 or 4 inches longer than when I first went natural. So I did cut it pretty short. Like my bangs was like up here when I cut it. So it was pretty short. I cut it down to probably about a year's worth of natural hair growth. So anyhow, here I am now. As y'all can see, my hair has pretty much, it's actually possibly longer than it was before I did my second big chop. I did recently do a trim because I did recently straighten my hair for the Thanksgiving holiday. I had went to New Jersey with my husband, so I didn't want to bother with my hair, so I straightened it, and I will insert pictures of that as well. And as y'all can see in the pictures, that my hair has grown a lot, more than what I thought it was. Now, this year, my hair, to me, has been through some stuff. I colored it, which was a huge mistake, and it wasn't so much the coloring was a mistake, it was how I colored it. I didn't use a box dye. I didn't go to a professional to get it done. Now, I've colored my own hair before, which is fine, but this time, y'all, I watched too many YouTube videos, and I use hydrogen peroxide and baking soda to dye my hair, and I will insert the color in the pictures of how it came out. And I had to do it twice. Oh, yes. No! Hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Bad idea. Now, I seen some chick comment on somebody else's video, I did this and messed up my hair. I'm thinking, I may not do it, but then again, everybody's hair is different. I take care of my hair, I know what I'm doing. I should have listened to that girl. So anyhow, I love that color, but it thinned my hair out. It was breaking my hair like never before. Like, I've had setbacks during my natural hair journey, but when I got that hair color, like my hair right here on the sides usually comes down to here, but it was breaking off. I'm like, what is going on with my hair? I was like, okay, so I need to get rid of this hair color. So I dyed it back black, probably about going on 2 months ago. It's still a work in progress. I've been doing protein treatments. I've been doing a lot of deep conditioning. I've been washing it more. And like I told y'all, due to that hair color, I was thinking about doing a third big chop. I was like, no. I am not cutting my hair again. Because then I'm going to get on YouTube and see people with long hair and then be like, man, why I cut my hair? Nah, no more. So I just decided to take better care of it, and it is working out for me, thank God. So yeah, I'm not really on I don't really have staples for my hair right now. I'm using some of everything, a whole bunch of conditioners. As y'all seen in my video from Marshalls, I done picked up a whole bunch of stuff, so I don't have set products right now, but I did change up my regimen. I went back to finger detangling because in this 4th year of being natural, I've noticed a lot of short hairs at the top. And for me, that's not normal. To me, that's breakage. It's not new growth, it's breakage. And I know it's because I comb my hair a lot, y'all, and I don't like wearing the same style. I don't think I ever have any videos on YouTube with me with the same hairstyle. Like, I like to change my hair up. I've always been like that. I've been doing my hair since I was 9. But that's having an effect on me, so I was like, okay, I have to change it up. So now I'm trying not to comb my hair as much. I done did about 6 trims since my second big chop, and some of them I took well over an inch off. Like, and that's unnecessary because if I keep my hands out my hair, I won't have to trim it so much. So word of advice, whether you're natural or relaxed, keep your hands out your hair. You hear people say that a lot, but it's the truth. If you want to see your hair grow and flourish, keep your hands out of it. Now, that don't mean you just go around looking crazy. That means you don't have to style it every other day. And at one point, I was doing 2 or 3 styles a day because I wasn't content with one style, so I'll go and change it up and do another style. So I have reaped the consequences of that, along with that do-it-yourself hair color. I would not advise anyone to do that. So I just recently straightened it, like I said, and I just actually did a trim, and I took about maybe ½ an inch off all around. Definitely need it, as y'all will see in the pictures that I posted or will post. This last time I straightened my hair, which I said it was 2 days before Thanksgiving I straightened my hair this year. And before that, I straightened it in September for my birthday. And I've been straightening my hair because besides not wanting to mess with it on vacation, my curly texture is really, really tight for a texture. And y'all, it's just getting on my nerves. I can't stand my texture anymore. Like, I love it, don't get me wrong. I would never, ever, ever go back to a relaxer, but my hair texture is so tight. And it shrinks up like 50% of its length. Like, if my texture was in my hair now, my bang would probably be like up here. So it like shrinks to 50% of its original length. And I just don't know what to do with it. I'm getting frustrated with it, so I've decided that I'm going to keep my hair in a blown out state. I just recently posted a video about how I band to stretch my hair, but I've decided to give that a break as well and go ahead and maybe blow dry my hair maybe every 2 months. I don't want to put too much heat in it, but at this point, if I keep my hair in its natural texture, then I'm gonna have to keep doing trims because I'm not going to stop messing with it until I find a hairstyle that I'm content with. I'm also going to be incorporating wigs into my regimen, putting this stuff up in braids, so I won't have to, put that much heat in it. So I'm trying to decide whether I'm gonna stretch it with heat or just braid it up and wear wigs. I'm kind of leaning more towards the wigs because I haven't been the type to put a whole bunch of heat in my hair. I think I've straightened my hair 4 times since I've been natural, so it probably averages out to like once a year. But I don't put a lot of heat in my hair, and I don't want to start, but at the same time, I'm tired of dealing with my texture. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. Like I said, I did stop using brushes for detangling. Now, I detangle with a brush every now and again, but as of right now, I'm doing finger detangling, and I started doing it after I dyed my hair back black, and I have noticed a major difference in my hair. The breakage seems less. It seems like it's getting a little stronger and start to grow a lot more. I would suggest finger detangling to anybody who's seeing a lot of hair breakage, because even though the brushes, and I did recently post also about a brush that I really like. I really do like that brush, but right now at this time, the best thing for me is these 10 fingers. Okay, so yeah, so that's pretty much it. My hair, as y'all can see, is reverting back. I try to keep it straight as long as possible. This is the straightest it's been since I've ever, flat ironed and blew it out. The longest it stays straight since blowing it out and flat ironing it. Yes, so go ahead. I don't want to take my hair down, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. It's still kind of a little straight. So I try to keep my hair straight as long as possible so I can show y'all how much it's grown. Now, because I went on vacation, I didn't have time to do no video. So it's not as straight as it was when I first did it, of course, which is almost 2 weeks ago. So the length y'all see is after it reverted. Like my hair is like 50% reverted back. And I thank God I don't have no heat damage from what I know. So this length that y'all about to see, it's not accurate. My hair is actually way longer. I just, like I said, I did a decent trim, which was about 1 inch. Also, let me see if I can turn and let y'all see my hair. Turn. Hopefully y'all can see it. It's growing out a lot. A whole lot. So hopefully y'all can see it. The back, it was straighter, but like I said, my hair is reverting back. So yeah, y'all, that is about it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. I got to put my hair back up, I'm sorry. Leave them down below. If you want to know anything else, just hit me up. Okay, so thank y'all so much for watching. Like this video, comment if you'd like to, and go ahead and subscribe. Okay, all right, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Take care.